How to sign out Twitter on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can sign out of Twitter on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're basically logged into the Twitter application as you'd be able to find here, and then now you decide that you want to log out of it, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the top left. Now if you go under settings and support, you can see we don't have the logout button. That is because the logout option is actually hidden. Instead of going there, from settings and support, go to settings and privacy. Now here still you can see there is no logout button, so here you can go to your account, go to account information, and this is actually where you'll find the logout button. So now you can just tap the logout option, tap on logout, and you'll be successfully logged out of Twitter on iPhone. This way you can log out of Twitter or the X application on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.